For more great recipes and video tips, hit the bell icon once you're subscribed and never miss a video from Recipes Are Simple. Hi everyone, today we're making potato bhaji, aloo bhaji, or the potato curry that goes along with the hot fluffy puris that we showed you in the last episode. If you haven't seen the video, please check it out. So Poori bhaji is a staple breakfast in many parts of India. It's very easy to prepare both the puris and the potato masala together, and it's a really delicious breakfast. Kids seem to always love this one. So this is how we make the simple potato curry that goes along with these hot fluffy flatbreads. So for this you need 3 potatoes that have been cut into 1-inch cubes like this. You need 1 red onion that has been sliced thinly, 2 green chilies, 1 generous tablespoon of finely minced garlic. You also need mustard seeds, curry leaves, a little bit of fenugreek, and oil. You can find the link to the detailed recipe in the description box. So first of all, we're going to add our potato that has been diced into 1-inch cubes like this into a pot, and then we're going to add liquid, about 1 to 1.5 cups of liquid. Now this can be either just plain water or for a creamier potato bhaji, try adding very thin consistency coconut milk. This is absolutely delicious, and this is how we make it at our place. Make sure the coconut milk is not too thick in consistency. You can dilute store-bought coconut cream with enough water. This may look very white and as if it's concentrated, but it's actually quite thin in consistency. To this we're going to add about half a teaspoon of salt, and then we're going to cook this for around 8 to 10 minutes till the potatoes are tender. And if you're using coconut milk especially, you want to tilt your lid like this and cook on a low to medium flame to prevent the coconut milk from boiling over. When the potatoes are cooked tender, there should be very less liquid remaining in the pot. You don't want too much liquid. That's how it's meant to be, a thick curry sauce. And when it's done, you can remove it from heat and just set it aside while we prepare the masala for the potato bhaji. For this you need a wok like this. To this we're going to add 1 to 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Make sure you use some kind of neutral flavored oil for this. Once the oil is hot, we want to add mustard seeds. About a 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and wait for them to pop completely. Once the mustard seeds have popped, you want to add 3 to 4 seeds of fenugreek. Don't add too much. Fenugreek adds a great flavor, but adding too much will make the curry bitter. To this we added 2 sprigs of fresh curry leaves and 1 sliced red onion. Wait for the onion to soften up a bit, and then you can add 1 generous tablespoon of finely minced garlic. Now we're going to saute this really well, stirring continuously till the garlic is nice and fragrant. We're also adding green chilies to taste. I added 2 hot green chilies here. You can slit them if you prefer for more heat. And by the way, having a pot gripper or wok grippers like this, these are very handy tools in the kitchen. This is another type. So I think everyone should have one of these in their kitchen. So after continuously stirring and sauteing your onions and garlic on a low heat for about 3 minutes, it should be nice and golden like this. And make sure to scrape the bottom of the wok, because any bits of garlic that can stick on there, all the flavor is captured in these bits, so try not to lose any of that. And to this we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon or a little bit more of turmeric powder. This adds a nice color and a light flavor. Some people like their potato bhaji white, like potato stew, but I prefer to add the turmeric powder. So keep scraping until it's nice and golden like this. And it looks just right. Now we can add our cooked potatoes with all the liquid that you cooked them in. It could be water or coconut milk. Now you just want to toss this really well till the potatoes absorb some of that sauteed masala, and make sure you scrape the bottom of the wok again to get all that captured delicious flavor. In the end, you can add just a little bit of water to loosen it up to your desired consistency. Just enough to eat with those hot fluffy puris, not too much. Taste for salt, you might want to add more, but half a teaspoon should be sufficient that we added to the potatoes earlier. And your potato bhaji or aloo bhaji is ready to be served with those delicious hot fluffy crisp puris. Do let me know if you tried the recipes. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. See you next time with another recipe. Bye! If you like my videos and recipes, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. You can also take a picture of a dish that you prepared from Recipes Are Simple and share it on one of my social media links.